So I'm doing a lot of tech house stuff, and as you can see, there's gonna be a lot of stuff going on. It's been quite a mess, and I'm super excited that UWant reached out, sent over this awesome vacuum, and sponsored this video. We've got so many different renovations that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be tearing out this wall, updating this kitchen, painting, doing a whole bunch of interior decorating. So that also means that there's so much dirt, dust, grime, and everything else that you can imagine as part of this process. So let's get this vacuum open. All right. V500 auto empty vacuum cleaner. A couple really cool things about this vacuum. The stand that it comes with is not just a stand. It also empties out the vacuum. So I've seen this with like robot vacuums and stuff, but I haven't actually seen a whole lot of this with handheld vacuums. Let's see if I can just figure this out. This is obviously a base. This seems like it goes on top. They already have pre-installed a dust collection bag, which is awesome. So the one that it comes with is an extra. Seems like a battery. This is the handheld unit. Does this just slot in? Whoa, that was legitimately super easy. I'll be honest, for something that had this much stuff going on, I thought it would be more difficult to set up. So it looks like all you have to do, plug this in back here, should be ready to charge. Boom. And then I'm gonna use the more classic roller here first. So this just started moving up and down and like cleaning off the lint. I gotta try this out. I found the 110 degrees of green LEDs genuinely useful in helping me spot different areas where it had crumbs or extra dust or just stuff in places that I wouldn't normally clean that were actually super dirty that I didn't notice on a daily basis. I've been testing the UWant vacuum by cleaning both my apartment, which is in a pretty decent, but you know, we're about to move out space, to the new house. And I do have to say that for a cordless vacuum, this cleans exceptionally well and you get so many great features. So one, I really like how flexible the head is, so I can really get under areas that haven't been cleaned in a long time because I just don't have other vacuums that can fit in there. The carpet that I'm showing you is textured, and other vacuums have actually struggled a decent amount to clean this, but using the boost mode on this vacuum, I was actually able to get a pretty good clean on this. You can get up to 55 minutes of battery life if you're on the eco setting, but I got about 15 minutes on the boost setting, and I'm sure standard is somewhere in between. But to be honest, 15 minutes is plenty if you're just cleaning one specific area, and the suction is really powerful. I vacuumed most of the floor in my apartment, which I actually do use a robot vacuum a couple times a week, so I was super surprised that the dust collection canister was so full at the end of it. This has way more suction than the robot vacuum that I'm using. And instead of making a big mess or struggling to empty out the dust container, all you have to do to empty this thing is put it back on its charger, which you're gonna do anyway. They call it this floating dust scraping ring, but essentially this orange gasket actually physically moves up and down to clear the filter of any debris while it's suctioning out all of the dust. And so every time you go to use the vacuum, you automatically have a clean and dust-free vacuum. I've also been making good use of the attachments, which are super easy to put on and take off, but they help me get into like nooks and crannies that I otherwise wouldn't be able to with an upright vacuum. The noise of this is also below 76 decibels, which actually makes it not very loud for a vacuum this powerful. I didn't find myself needing to reach for my AirPods with noise cancellation or earplugs or anything like that. I just used the vacuum when I wanted to. The fact that the UWant V500 can do all of this with all of its different attachments, empty itself, has that green light when it's in the roller mode, and then also comes and has a stand-up docking station, so you don't need to nail it into the wall and then it empties itself. This is a really smart and well-featured vacuum, and it has been legitimately useful in helping keep my apartment clean and also cleaning up the dust and debris from the renovations that I'm doing in the tech house. My floors look, and more importantly feel, very clean after using the vacuum, and it was even able to keep the carpet that my dog runs around on very clean as well, though my dog doesn't really shed that much. If you like clean floors and surfaces, or if you just like vacuuming in the dark, the UWant V500 is a great option, and at around $200, it's cheaper than most of its competitors, and also has more features. Be sure to check out the V500 in the link in the description down below, where you'll also be able to get a discount code, and thank you very much to UWant for sponsoring this video and helping me keep my renovation project clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.